Okay, in this example, we're going to be looking at some simple cases of rationalising the denominator. So the denominator is the bottom of the fraction, and to rationalise it means make the denominator a rational number, where a rational number is anything you can express as a fraction. Currently, root 5 is a surd, which cannot be expressed as a fraction. So in this first example, we have 2 over root 5. To rationalise the denominator, we take 2 over root 5 and we multiply it by root 5 divided by root 5. The reason we're allowed to multiply by root 5 over root 5 is that we're essentially multiplying by 1, which doesn't change the original number. However, it does change the form in which we write it. To simplify now, we multiply out these fractions. We're going to get 2 root 5 on the top, and root 5 times root 5 gives us 5. So we've written 2 over root 5 in an equivalent way where the denominator is a rational number. Just one last thing to think about. I did say that a rational number was a fraction. Well, whole numbers are also fractions. You could think of 5 as 5 over 1. In part B, we've got 9 over root 3. This is similar to the last example. In this case, we're going to multiply by root 3 over root 3. Again, that's still multiplying by 1. This time, we get 9 root 3 on the top, and root 3 times root 3 gives us 3. This time, however, we can simplify further because 9 divided by 3 simplifies to 3. So we can write this as 3 root 3. In part C, rather than just having a square root on the bottom, we've got a multiple of a square root, this time 3 root 6. It doesn't change much of what we do. We could, if we wanted, multiply top and bottom by 3 root 6, but we actually don't need to. We can just multiply by root 6. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by root 6. On the top, I get 4 times root 6, which I can write as 4 root 6. On the bottom, root 6 times root 6 gives me 6, and then multiplied by the 3 gives me 18. However, 4 over 18 can be cancelled down, so my final answer, dividing top and bottom by 2, gives me 2 root 6 over 9. Okay, if you're not using the printed sheet, make sure you've got these written down, and in a moment I'll put some questions on the screen for you to have a go at. Okay, pause the video so that you can have a go at these then, and then come back and check your solution against mine. Welcome back, here's my solution then. If you got them all right, well done. If not, I'm going to go through how I got my solutions now. So to begin with, in part A, I've got 5 over root 7. I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by root 7. On the top, I get 5 times root 7, which is just 5 root 7. On the bottom, I get root 7 times root 7, which is 7. Part B, I've got 8 over 5 root 2. Remember, we don't need to multiply by the 5, we only need to multiply top and bottom by root 2. On the top, that gives me 8 times root 2, which is 8 root 2. On the bottom, root 2 times root 2 is 2, multiply by 5, I get 10, and 8 tenths cancels down to 4 fifths. In part C, I've got 21 over root 7. Multiplying top and bottom by root 7, I get 21 times root 7, or 21 root 7. And on the bottom, root 7 times root 7, which is 7. 21 divided by 7 gives me 3, so I get 3 root 7.